The KVH Weather and Disease Portal is a platform for delivering digital decision support tools, including the PSA risk model. This uses the Hall+ National Weather Station network with research-grade weather stations in key growing areas, providing hourly weather observations along with a local forecast. These tools provide growers with critical information that can help to better plan protective spray programs and inform management decisions. It's accessible through a laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, so the information is always at hand. The Weather and Disease Portal can be accessed through the KVH website. Click on the Weather Portal from the menu or on the main page. If you are not logged in, you will need to do so. New members can register using the link below the login form. The KVH dashboard lists up all the tools to jump right to them. The portal dashboard gives an overview of the latest readings from the default weather station, a 7-day ET and rainfall summary, and a few quick links, along with an hourly forecast for that location. There are several tools and summaries, all available through the menu at the top. Jumping into the PSA risk model will present you with a 14-day summary, 4 days of observations, today, and a 10-day forecast, marked by the blue shaded area. Nighttime is also indicated with the dark vertical bands. The model shows the daily environmental risk assessment of PSAV infection conditions calculated from temperature, relative humidity, and rainfall. In order of lowest to highest, the 4 risk categories are no risk, white, index 0 to 5, light risk, blue, index 5 to 20, moderate risk, yellow, index 20 to 40, and severe risk, red, from index 40 and above. Below the risk model is the hourly weather data, showing wind speed and direction, spray drift conditions, relative humidity and wetness, temperature and rainfall, with daily highs and lows, along with rainfall event totals. Weather observations and forecast data are updated throughout the day, so the most recent information is always available. Using the tool, growers can quickly identify risk periods, consider things like their last spray application, if any new unprotected tissue has emerged, and optimize the timing of their spray application if one is required. When planning a spray application, the drift risk graph provides a general traffic light of spray conditions. Using the linked tooltip to the wind speed and direction graph, a suitable spray window can be found.